Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're checking out this ice shaver machine. So you guys know what we're going to do with this. You guys want to know why we got this? Guess what? It's to make snow cones and I'm excited. Alright guys, I do want to point out that the power cable and this spatula and the directions were underneath this and under that white padding. So just lift that up and you'll find this. This one is a little dirty. So we need to clean that up. It doesn't look like it's used. It just looks like maybe packaging or shipping or warehouse or when it was packaged. Let's go ahead and show you guys all the pieces to it. So yeah, it's just dirty. We definitely need to clean it up a bit. Be careful of the blades right here. They are very sharp and you can cut your finger, so be extremely careful. Everything comes apart for cleaning, as you guys can see. Yeah, everything's just dirty. So we're going to have to actually wash this whole thing before we start. But in here is how you charge it, and then it works wirelessly. Again, be very careful of the blade. As you can see, the blade comes out. So it makes everything's very simple for cleaning. You know, they have it set up. Let's see, gotta line that up. They have it set up good for cleaning. But overall, it's very nice. It's just definitely needs a good cleaning job. I mean, the whole thing is very dirty. So here's how you power it on, as you guys can see. Now, because everything's taken apart, it's not going to work. So we're going to charge this while we clean everything else. And what's nice about this is you can charge it with a power bank. So this whole thing is portable. Alright everyone, so what you do is you press and you power this on. You put your ice in here. Make sure you have your bowl or cup or whatever you're doing. And now you got your shaved ice, just like that. Now we can go ahead and put in our flavoring, and we're done. That was very fast. Wow, that works in seconds. Alright, so you take your flavoring. Now we'll mix it up, and we're done. Very quick and very simple. Overall, guys, the ice maker works great. Good for snow cones or bowl cones or snow bowls.